Lori, you've really been involved with the high school version from the start, kind of from its inception, and been involved in our trials. Could you tell us a little bit about how you've managed to fit High School Unstuck into the high schoolers' day?
That's a great question. And we really have dedicated a lot of time and effort into asking teachers how to make this work for them because they want it for their students. And as the students get older, they are more aware of their peers and the similarities and differences that they have with their peers. And so they don't want to be pulled out. They don't, and plus their workload is extraordinary. It's um, just there's so much work for them, and if they miss a class, they are overwhelmed, and that is exactly opposite of what we want to do for our students who struggle with that in the first place. And so we have been implementing the curriculum during this advisory time, which has allowed us to not pull students during other class time, so they're not missing their work, and it has been a really nice opportunity for the students to get what they need and still get an elective that allows them to access, let's say, an advanced diploma or an elective of something that really makes them come to school because it's the thing that they love, whether it's music or art or theater. And so it's just worked out really nicely. We've had a lot of success with that over the past year and a half.